here in fair Verona where we lay our scene. Afternoon, gentlemen. I'm sorry, say it again for the camera. Something about me recording your butt.
I know you're not recording my butt.
A couple of fishermen out there. Oh, we've discovered mushrooms. Eat one, honey.
No.
How will I know if they're poisonous if you don't eat one?
I'm not finding out. Ridiculous nonsense.
Indeed, ridiculous nonsense. Is this what we do in our spare time?
Yes.
When we're not rearing children?
We look for rocks.
We look for
Where?
rocks. Oh, we look for rocks.
And we hike.
And we hike.
Ow.
This is one of the smaller places we come, but it's very special to us. You care to tell them why?
You can.
This is where she kissed me for the very first time. Right on the back of my neck. I think weren't there a few nibbles in there as well?
There might have been.
Yeah, I think there was. Yeah. I definitely had vampire marks after all was said and done. We actually met a naturalist out here, didn't we?
Yes.
Bob, I forget his last name. What was his last name? You don't remember?
I don't remember.
We found all sorts of amazing animals, copperheads. What else have we seen out here, honey?
Horny toad.
Horny toads, horny lizards,
Same thing.
horny couples.
Dog food.
Yeah,
Oh god, it smells.
it does smell pretty
Oh.
horrific. The viewers should count themselves lucky that they're not having to smell it. I guess we can hashtag this park and then we'll do dinner tonight, and we had a special request where someone asked us to go to Rosa's and record there. There's a beautiful butterfly. Maybe if I can get it in shot. Nope, it's zigzagging all over the place. It's very hot, but it's not as hot as it has been.
There's fungi growing on the bridge.
Oh, he's a fun guy, isn't he? Where is he? Yep.
There's a butterfly.
I can't tell if I'm getting the shot so bright. It's hot, but it's not as hot as it has been.
I didn't check the weather, so
I did earlier. It said 88.
it's hotter than 88 on here.
Well, maybe that was earlier when I checked. So, do you want to go to the overlook?
Sure.
That way we can show the viewers what we go and look at.
Alright, but we're taking the steps up.
The stairs. Stairs versus hill. Did those people respond about the folding bike?
Yes, they asked about us coming out there now. And they asked, so they're gonna have like some kind of sale on Sunday from 1 to 5, but he works Sunday. So I asked about tomorrow because we'll be in Dallas for the Arboretum.
Okay. And they haven't responded yet.
I haven't checked. That's why it took me forever to get out of the car.
Oh, there's actually some people out here. I can't believe it. It's pretty warm. I really need to get one of those little rigs that holds this thing.
I agree.
It'll be way easier just to
Just
wear
hold
it.
the tripod. You hold the tripod.
Put it on a... No, I don't want to hold it at all. I just want to put it on my head or something, or mount it to my chest. It'll be way easier.
Remember that time we found a rock down there in the birdseed?
Yeah. Let's show the viewers that. Someone puts birdseed down there in that stump. And shock of all shocks, there's usually a squirrel down there eating on it, but it looks like they've had their fill for the day.
Look how low the water is.
We're getting out here kind of later than we normally would. What a nice view.
Let's go down there.
Okay. Somebody's playing some music. I'm not editing that out, so.
I realize that now.
It's just too much work. We'll just give you the
It's really not.
we'll just give you the raw footage. Might intersperse it with some photos. How you doing, little buddy? Hello.
Please don't drop the phone or hurt yourself on the way down.
I promise nothing, as usual. She's not camera shy, so she gets to be in the frame. Besides, no one wants to see my ugly mug anyways.
Whatever.
You should see
Look at this photo.
all the
See it?
wonderful selfies she's taken of herself.
Ain't no one gonna see all of these.
I was just explaining to them that you're not camera shy.
Just hang it in your box so I can't return.
Come on.
Easy, love me.
Ridiculous, Thomas.
You love it, Maddie.
Oh, Lord.
I'm really waiting for a second to see if I can go down.
What? This was your idea.
What?
I'm just going to video you falling down, then we're going to... America's Funniest Home Videos. Here we come.
Try that.
You want the stick?
Hold that.
She wants the stick. Give her the stick!
The dragonfly's by your feet.
No, it's a damselfly. Remember? We learned the difference.
No, you learned the difference.
The damselfly lays its wings back, I believe. The dragonfly can't put its wings back. The damselfly can. Alright, here we go. This is going to be hilarious. She's going to tank. Oh, in the skirt.
My butt's showing.
No, it's not. I can't see it.
How does that mean anything?
Yes, we can. You're doing it, Lone Star. There you go. You made it. Wait. Why did I have to hold the water bottle?
Because it was easier to get down this way?
Can I throw it to you now?
No.
So I've just got to, like, navigate without my walking stick.
Here, you want it?
I knew we'd get that. I know everyone heard that. She farts like a Clydesdale. One of the many attributes
Do you
that
want this or not?
I actually love about her. No, how am I going to hold it? I'm holding the camera and your water that you had to have. By the way, my water's in my backpack. And you were complaining about the smell earlier, and you're just adding to it, so. Alright. Why do we come down here again? You don't know. True or false, I picked a rock out of here for your mother.
True.
For her garden.
True. Thank you. There you go.
Oh, you said thank you, but strangely enough, your mother didn't. No, we don't. She's not on our channel.
You don't know that.
She better not be. Don't be sending that to her. That's not for our parents to watch.
It's public.
It's for all our adoring fans. Like we have any, right? Oh, look at this.
Somebody's dumping water down here.
Probably a turtle.
Probably.
There's a snake right there.
There better not be.
Right by your foot.
No!
Oh, it's a stick. Sorry, hun. There's just a stick. Are you not okay with that?
No.
Okay.
It's ridiculous nonsense.